Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're preparing for our GCSE exams and we're looking at some algebra questions, looking for some quick marks, so 2 and 1 mark questions. Right, simplify 2c minus 3y plus c plus 5y. So you've got to collect like terms, or as it says there, simplify. So that's c and that's c. So 2c plus c is 3c, that's y and that's y, minus 3 plus 5 plus 2y. Okay, so 2 marks there, you get a mark for each of them. And so if you at least got the c's correct, you'd get a mark. If you got the y's correct, you'd get a mark. Okay, but 2 marks under 2 minutes. Then simplify 8y times 3x. Do the numbers. 8 times 3 is 24. And then just add the xy. So your final answer would be 24xy. Okay, because that y and that x we can't combine further than xy. Right, here are the first 5 terms of a number sequence. Write down the next term of the number sequence. So what's happening between 9 and 15 is adding 6. 15 to 21, another 6. You can see each time you're adding 6. So say that 33 plus 6 is going to be 39. Explain how you found your answer, and you have to make some point that you're adding 6 each time, maybe a bit longer than what I've just written there. Work out the 10th term of the sequence. Well, if you're happy to, luckily 10 isn't that far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, that's 39. Then it'll be 45. Then it'll be 51. Then it'll be 57. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 10th would be 63. Okay, but if you're not so sure about that and you actually prefer an nth term sequence, you might go 6n, that's not 6, so 6n plus 3, then the 10th term would be 6 times 10 plus 3, which is 63. So either way, 6 times 10 plus 3, 63, or going up in 6s. Okay, but I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks in a matter of minutes. Again, even if you're not working at that speed, try and pick one of these where you think, I don't have to read a lot, I don't have to think about too much understanding of the question. I can go straight in and get some marks. For instance, I'm not doing questions like this right now because that would take a lot more reading. I'm trying to think for quick wins. Right, work out the nth term for the sequence. Now, we are going to have to look at the nth term. So that means I need an expression with the term n in it. Got to look at what's happening between these. Each time I'm going down by 2. So it's going to be minus 2n. But that first term isn't minus 2. Imagine putting n equal to 1 there. N equal to 1, I'd have minus 2. But how do I go from minus 2 to 20? Well, it must be minus 2 plus 22. So minus 2 and plus 22. Check that by saying, what's this third term? That would be minus 6 plus 22. Be 22 minus 6 is 16. Okay, and again, you can check that with any term. Add 2 there, the 0 term, which would be 22. Okay, so it's moving on. 2 mark question here. Factorizing. Have 2 brackets, x in each of them. Look at the 20. What are the factors of 20? 2 times 10, 5 times 4, 20 times 1. Those are all the factors. But we've got to end up with 9. Well, if I sum 5 and 4, I'd get 9. But then look at the signs. That's positive, meaning both these signs have to be the same. But that's negative. Both of them are negative. So I'm going to get x squared. Always check your answer. Check that if you expanded, you'd get back to that. X squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. One more, and then we'll stop for today. Another equation, but I've got to factorize first. So what I've got to do, same as I've just done, y in each of them, because there's y squared there. Factors of 11, it's prime, so the only factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So I'm going to put 11 and then 1. That's negative, but that's positive. That means the signs are different. But that means that the larger one, larger in value, is going to be positive. Y squared, again, check that it would expand to that. Y squared minus y plus 11y minus 1y plus 11y would give me that positive 10. And then that's minus 11. So expand to check. And now I've actually got to solve it, because that's the question there. Actually, to solve it, not just to factorize. Well, put those two equal to y minus 1 equal to 0, then y would equal 1, and y plus 11 equal to 0, y would equal minus 11. So those would be my two answers, that y equals minus 1 or y equals positive 1, y equals minus 11. Okay, that's just over 5 minutes. I've answered quite a few questions. Again, trying to move quickly to get into the exam technique of just going for 1 or 2 mark questions as quickly as you can and not looking at word problems today. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.